Hello, Chef here with yet another video. A power-packed, super healthy protein fruit shake I'm gonna make for you here today. I got this organic orange juice. I like it. I'm only gonna use a little bit here in my blender. Let's put about a half a cup in there or so, just like that. Okay, to the orange juice, we're gonna move right along here, and we're going to add 2, 4, 6. I got 7 strawberries. They're going right in there like that. I got this awesome chunk of watermelon, and we're going to put the watermelon in there. And I like to do it like this. You can choose however you like, but I like the red part of the melon. People have commented that the rind is packed with all these vitamins, and yeah, it is. It's just not as sweet. So personally, I like the red part of the melon, and I just want to give it a real quick chop like this. All right, and moving along very quickly. That's one of the things that you're going to learn by watching my videos is I don't mess around. I like fast. Fast, 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 fast. I take all that melon, I get it right in the blender, and I move on to the next step. Quick, like that. Okay, this is going to get blended up, and I'll be back to show you the rest. Okay, here we go. I got this blender. I'm ready to go. Put the lid on. Okay, it's that fast with a good commercial blender. It's all blended, but the variable here is I'm adding protein powder. So I'm going to put water. I got about a half a cup of water. It's going to go in there as well. Just like that, okay? Now, the last ingredient I've got here is right here, 5 protein source protein powder. We've got whey protein, we got hydrolyzed, we got isolate, we got whey protein concentrate, we got EGA albuminin protein, and we got nuclear calcium protein. Anyway, these 5 proteins are very important, and they're all good for you. This is one of these, what brand is this? This is like Muscle Farm, Combat, whatever. It's pretty good stuff. What I like is that it's 50 grams of protein per serving. It's got some other vitamins in there and some other things. It's pretty good for you, only 140 calories. I'm doing 2 scoops. So 2 scoops I got measured out right here. This is going to make a 50-gram protein shake. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, that's it. I'm all done. Ready to enjoy this shake, and I'm going to share it with you here. Let's see what we got. Wow, this is packed with vitamins and nutrients and protein. Really, really good for you. By the way, this is vegan and this is super healthy. Cheers to your health. And please hit the little subscribe button right there. Like, share, and follow. And get cooking. Wow, I think I'll have another. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old, looks brand new. These knives function perfectly, well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. if you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. Yeah. Once again, visit your sponsor for all the cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that like button. Diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find.